The raw truth. You were born weak, a weak family, a weak background, a weak body, and you hate it. You hate looking in the mirror, seeing the same powerless version of yourself every damn day. You hate walking into a room and feeling invisible. You hate knowing that other men were born with the things you wish you had: strength, confidence, dominance, and the worst part? You blame your genetics. You tell yourself, I was just born this way. Let me tell you something brutal. That mindset is why you will never win. Your bloodline didn't make you weak. Your choices did. Why you feel this way? You've been lied to. Society told you that you're a victim, that some guys are just born superior, that your weak background means you'll always stay weak. And like a fool, you believed it. You sat there, wasting time, making excuses. I wasn't born into money. My parents were average. My genes are bad. Shut up. Your muscles don't care about your genetics. Your mindset doesn't care about your parents. Your testosterone doesn't care where you came from. What matters is what you do next. Forget genetics. Forget circumstances. Forget the past. Right now, you have one job. Activate Testosterone 0.1. This is not a pill, not a program, not a shortcut. This is war. Step 1. Kill the weakness. Destroy every excuse. Stop waiting for motivation. Train like your life depends on it, because it does. Step 2. Build a new body. Lift heavy, eat like a beast, sleep like a king. Your body is a weapon. Forge it. Step 3. Rewrite your mind. Weak thoughts, erase them. Complaining, eliminate it. Every single day, you attack life like a man. And when you do this, the weak version of you dies. No more feeling sorry for yourself. No more blaming genetics. No more excuses. Make the choice. Right now, you have 2 options. 1. Stay the same. Keep whining. Keep making excuses. Keep being weak. 2. Burn the old version of yourself. Step into the fire. Transform into a man. Nobody is coming to save you, but if you want it bad enough, Testosterone 0.1 is already inside you. Wake it up, my warrior. Make sure you subscribed YT Motivex for next Testosterone 0.2 part.